In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test subject lines on Beehiiv. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, reliable test that helps you learn what truly grabs your reader's attention. First, sign into your Beehiiv account so you're working inside your dashboard. From there, head to the newsletter section. This is your home base for drafting, organizing, and optimizing your email content, and it's where all of your A/B testing tools live. Next, either start fresh by selecting Create Newsletter or open an existing draft you've already been working on. It doesn't matter which route you take, what matters is that you're inside the editor for the newsletter you want to test. Keeping your content ready before testing subject lines helps you stay focused on just one variable at a time. Inside the editor, look for the A/B test option. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it near the subject line field or in the testing or optimization panel. The goal is to activate the testing interface so you can define exactly what you want to compare. When the testing options appear, choose subject line as the variable. This tells Beehiiv that you're experimenting with the message your subscribers see first in their inbox, and that all other parts of the email should remain consistent for a fair test. Now enter 2 or more different subject lines. Keep each one clear, concise, and distinct enough that you can learn something specific. For example, you might compare a curiosity-driven line to a straightforward value statement, or test an emoji versus no emoji. Aim for scannable lengths, avoid excessive punctuation or all caps, and front-load the most important words so they're visible on mobile. If you're unsure, read each option out loud and ask yourself whether it's obvious, useful, and true to your brand voice. With your options in place, set the percentage of your audience that will receive each version. An even split is a great default because it makes the results easier to interpret. If you're testing more than 2 variations, distribute the percentages so each version still gets a meaningful sample size. For smaller lists, limit the number of variations so each one reaches enough people to produce clear insights. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your newsletter, enabled A/B testing, selected subject line, crafted distinct variations, and chosen how your audience will be split. You're now set up to learn what resonates, refine your approach, and boost open rates with confidence.